We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello dear student, myself is Roshni Parikh and today we are going to learn about the example based on the Thevenin theorem, means how to apply the basics of the Thevenin theorem to find out the current from the element of the interest. Now suppose one network is a given and you have to ask to find out the current I passing through the 4 ohm resistance. So how to apply the Thevenin theorem? So first you have to disconnect the 4 ohm resistance from the given network. You have to disconnect the 4 ohm resistance from the given network and label the terminal as a open circuit terminal A and B. So our circuit will be like this: 4 ohm resistance. If you say कि 4 ohm resistance, that is the load resistance. So 4 ohm resistance that will be disconnected from the given network and label the terminal as a open circuit terminal A and B. Now second step is to find out the current I. Now what is I? In this loop your resistance 10 ohm in series with the 5 ohm and voltage that is the 15 volt. So you can easily find out the current I. I is equal to simple as a Ohm's law V by R. Here both resistors are in a series, so I is equal to 15 divided by 10 plus 5, so 15 by 15. So you will get the 1 ampere, that is the value of a current passing from this network. Now third step is to find out the voltage across the 5 ohm. Voltage across the 5 ohm. Now voltage across the 5 ohm, that is the I into R. I, that is the 1 ampere, R, that is the 5 ohm. So voltage will be V is equal to I into R. I, that is the 1 and R, that is the 5 ohm. So you will get the 5 volt positive. Now connect the 5 volt here. Now open circuit V, that is the V and E, V and B both are the open circuit terminal. So see here a 5 volt, that is the positive polarity, positive and negative, and 6 volt is already given. So our Thevenin equivalent open circuit voltage source VTH, that is the open circuit voltage across the A and B. So see, that is the 5 minus 6, so you will get the 1 volt negative, that is the Thevenin equivalent voltage. Now our fifth step is to find out the equivalent resistance, that is called a Thevenin equivalent resistance. So for that you have to short all the voltage source by the internal resistance. Suppose internal resistance is a given, and if internal resistance is not given, then short the all the voltage source. So you have to short both the voltage source. Suppose our circuit is like this, so short the 15 volt and short the 6 volt. So our circuit will be like this. So see here a 10 ohm resistance in parallel with the 5 ohm resistance. So our Thevenin equivalent resistance, that is the 10 parallel to 5. So 10 into 5 divided by 10 plus 5. So you will get 50 divided by 15. So value of the RTH, that is the 3.33 ohm. Now make the Thevenin equivalent circuit. Now in a Thevenin equivalent circuit, connect the Thevenin equivalent voltage source in series with the Thevenin equivalent resistance, and again connect the load resistance, that is the 4 ohm across the A and B. So finally you will get this circuit. Now you can easily find out the current I or a IL flowing through the 4 ohm resistance. So value of a I, or you can say IL, that is the VTH upon RTH plus 4 ohm, because both resistors are in a series. So substitute the values and finally you will find out the current I, which is flowing from the 4 ohm resistance. So this way you can apply the basics of the Thevenin theorem to find out the current from the particular element of the interest.